Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to App Store. If you're using any iPhone and you are having this type issue that you cannot connect to your App Store, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to make sure that you are connected to any Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. So if you're not connected, you have to try to connect, or you can easily try to enable your airplane mode and then disable it. You have to try it again and again for some times, and after that you have to wait for your Wi-Fi until it disconnects, and then you have to open or retry to open your App Store. So you can see the App Store has been opened, but if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to open the previous settings, then go for General, and here you have to scroll down and look for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your phone is not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected to any VPN, so you have to try to disconnect. So once you have that, you have to try again, or if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to open up your settings again, go for general, and here you have to make sure that there is no any software update available, or if you have any update, you must have to download and install over your phone. Sometime it might be that your system is not up to date, so it can make some this type error, so you must have to update your software, or you have to try to check your iPhone storage if you have iPhone storage. So if you do not have any storage, so you must have to clean your storage by deleting some apps or videos. So once you have that, you have to try to reopen your app store, or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to open up your settings app again, go for general, and here you have to go for transfer or reset iPhone, then select reset, then select reset all settings. So here you just have to enter your passcode, because it will reset all of your settings. It will not delete your data. So it might be sometimes you have enable or disable any restriction or any settings, something like that. So you cannot access your app store. So you must have to reset your all settings. And once you have reset, you have to try again, or if you are still having the same issue, you have to try to force restart your phone. So what you have to do, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and wait for your screen goes fully black. So you just have to try this. So quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. Once you have the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. So once you get the Apple logo, you must have to release the button and wait for your phone until it's restart. And once your phone has been restarted, you can easily use your App Store without any problem. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're unable or you cannot connect to your App Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.